Hello guys, update on the Q50 issue I had with the turbos. Let this bus pass. They gave me back my car. It took a bit longer because of the tire change period we're in right now. In case you don't know, in Quebec, not in Canada, but specifically in Quebec, there's a time limit where you need to change your tires for winter tires. Not all seasons. You need like winter tires, real ones. Because I know some of you Americans are using all seasons, but they don't do anything in snow. Yeah. So because of that, it took longer. Normally, like they told me, it's around 6 hours on their books that it says, and they replaced the turbos, both of them. I don't actually know the part numbers, but I'll show you guys the bill, like the receipt, I guess you could say. They changed a bunch of things because I guess like there's gaskets and flanges and tubes and stuff, whatever. I guess they need to change. So yeah, they changed all of that. They had to drop the motor, of course, because that's the procedure. And I didn't ask for them to check the motor or anything because I thought they would do it while dropping the motor and stuff. I didn't ask them if they did, but yeah, I just think they probably checked anyway. This dealership is reliable. It's a good one, so I guess they checked, and everything was good. And now the car makes the noises it should. But honestly, I realized how much power I lost when it was in that condition, or how the car is more responsive now also from the start. That's a Shelby Cobra Jet. These are fast cars. The Cobra Jet Mustangs. I've seen a couple around here in Quebec that are really fast. It's just a side because I happened to see this car. So yeah, I realized how much power I was losing. I don't know how much exactly, but I'd be curious to know, because for me it feels like a pretty big difference, especially from the start, and responsiveness in general. I was curious. I asked one of the advisors what would be the price to change the turbos in Canadian dollars, because I'm from Canada, and he told me it's around 10,000, 12,000. So it's around ballpark, where from what I've seen on internet with people from the US, where they say like 8,000 US, 9,000. So that fits right around that, I think. And yeah, so far I'm satisfied with the job. It sounds like it should now. I don't have any turbo noises at low speeds and low revs. I guess when you're like going fast and high in the RPMs, it's kind of normal. Well, I'll do a little pull at the stop. There's a stop ahead. I'll do a pull just to show you, I guess, because you won't be really able to notice on video. Maybe for the sound, because before the turbo sound was really loud. Was a whining turbo noise that was pretty loud at the end when I went to drop the car off. Of course, there's a risk because they knew the turbos were bad. They let me drive the car anyway until they can set an appointment. But I mean, I guess it's just the way it is. Yeah, there's a massive difference. Like from the start, it's like it's night and day. Like it's crazy how much less laggy it is. It's nuts, actually. Like at the line, I just punched it. I didn't rev it out. I just punched it, and the revs went quickly up. Before, when I had the turbo issue, the revs were it was like I was waiting. I had time to look at the gauge and be like, oh, it's gonna go eventually. But once I was going, it was fast, like, because the turbos were working, like they were working. So, but the low end, I was losing time there. Of course, I went to the drag strip a couple times with the turbos kind of ish bad. I was doing good times. So now I'd be curious what it would do, to be honest. Like, I would go lower for sure because it revs out really much faster. So, yeah. And we know like short track is really important in drag race times and just winning it also. So I really am curious to like see what it will do on the drag race, but. Now all the tracks are closed up because winter is coming and stuff, so I guess I'll have to wait for next summer when I get the JB4 tune and stuff, but then I'll be quicker, of course, because more boost. But overall, yeah, I did change the oil in the rear differential and the transfer case also, so that this and that mixed together, it feels like it's running well. I don't think the oil is like a massive difference for me, like to notice when I drive, of course, but I mean, it's healthy to have everything like sorted out. Yeah, much faster response. I'm really happy that I went to the dealer to fix this. It was going on for a while, like I maybe said in the previous video. But yeah, the massive difference and the thing I noticed the most is, like I said, it revs out quicker. For sure, like night and day difference. I think this was like one of the first times I really push it, give it a bit more gas. Yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have this, if you had the turbo changed on your Q50 also, and if you're thinking about it. Of course, I was under warranty, so it didn't cost me anything. That's why they didn't give me like a receipt with all the prices and stuff. And I had to ask the guy, but he's time advisor there, I think, and stuff. So I know he's right in his numbers, and it's one of the bigger Infiniti dealerships around. So they probably did a lot of them. So yeah, was basically a 1-day job for them, or a bit less. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and comment.